All right, cool. We're live again. So let's just say boom, I'm back up. Back in and see if I get anybody. Okay, so just to walk through what happened so far, let me get back here. We started opening up this. Let me see the Algorand. So let me get back to. We'll go back to Algorand. Boom. And we had gone to this start building. We set up a workspace, which we actually found out the best way to set up a workspace on Windows is to um, use a Docker sandbox, and then we follow this GitHub link to do this. I thought initially to start the sandbox using Ubuntu, but I just that didn't work. So now I had to go to this use this Git for Windows, Git Bash. So this Git Bash right here. Let me see where he's at. I don't have it down here. Let's see, Git Bash. Boom. So then now to open up the node, I can run that same thing, and then open up Git Bash, and see I can go to that document. So I say cd user ls. Where am I? Okay, so cd. If it's documents. Okay, it should be. Let's see, cd. There we go. That's where I was. So boom, cd a. So cd documents. CD. Oh no, CD sandbox. There we go. And this sandbox is this. I had done this code, git clone, and I just use GitHub desktop. Simple. It just clones a repository, then I open it up in VS Code. So now we have VS Code going, and then I'm gonna run this command to start the node, or the test node. So let's see. Sandbox up. Dot slash sandbox up. Takes a little time from now what I know. Give it a little second to do its love. All right, cool. So this is what happens when we have the sandbox up. We get a little information where it says bring up existing sandbox release, use V to get started, Algorand version. This is telling us everything that's going on with this node. And then we have indexer health. This is, I guess, the hash when it was created, the sandbox. SandNet. Ooh, we're hanging out on the SandNet. It got generated these accounts. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, let's see. What was the git bash copy and paste again? Git bash copy. I don't use this terminal, so hold shift and press enter. Then paste is function insert. So function insert. And let's see, copy. Like the texture and the rest. Hmm. No, it's not working for me. So let me say goal. Does it have like a test command? I just want to get the. All right, I did the command before. Copy and pasting. So yeah, I don't know how to copy. So control enter. No, enter is gonna do that. So copy from it. Anyone know how to copy from Git, man? Yo. I never used it, but it's only working in here. So, all right. So we're kind of running now. Let's see. That's okay. We had a command that we ran on here. So npm run example generate sender receiver. Let's just see if it works. If the node is open. All right. It looks like it's running on the Node.js. Oh yeah. So and this is where I can send money to. So I think I'm on like a test net probably. Local endless tattoo. Bring friend. Resemble. Rocket alien. Shoot rare above slim. That's a fun mnemonic. All right. So okay. So you got to make sure too that you have this TS node. I would make sure that you got this installed. I installed it. I think because I use TypeScript with some of my programming with the 3JS and JavaScript. So yeah, this is something that you need to run any of these examples. So I have the examples running. Let's just see. So it says many of these examples in this folder require configuration instructions. It says Algod instance, sender account, and receiving account. We use environment variables inside the example to read. You could set the environment variables manually, but we recommend sourcing it from a .end file like Algod servers, Algod instance auth token, Algod server, Algod port. So does this tell me what ports and everything? Let's see. All right, let's try and see. Algod version, running. Okay, indexer version, last consensus, this and this, Genesis hash, data, migration false. All right, account list. Let me see. So get Algod instance auth token. Source examples that end. All right, let's see. So okay, that gave me something, but this is kind of confusing to me. So let's see. Algod instance is an Algod token. So let's go back and see what an Algod token is. Bully. Algod rest endpoint and Algod token are taken from an Algod token. Where is this? Oh, so maybe it's in this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's go back here. Oh, boom. So this is where I gotta go. So the examples dot end. Oh, new file. Go to the README. It says so you're gonna put the auth token, the token, server, and 401. Let's see. So then generate this so that this is what we generate. So gender mnemonic. So let's see. Boom. And copy this from here. This in here. I think this will work like this. Cool. And then the receiver mnemonic, patient here. And I'm going to save this. Cool. And then what does it say in the README? It says README. Then source. Make sure the source file. Okay, let's see. I'm going to source the file. I don't know exactly how this works, but I'm going to try it. Let me try. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm still I'm streaming, so yeah. You good? Cool. So let's see. Let's see. Um. So then now I should be able to run this. Then you can. I have the test accounts and blah blah blah. So how did I run the test accounts again? Let's see. npm run. Example. Okay, npm run example. So what does this tell me? So let's see. Package.json example. Where's example? TS. So this is just running. So we could just write TS node if we want. npm run TS node and then the file. npm run example, and then now let's put in the file type. Oh, fix that now. Actual file name. Let's see. Update. Generate. So let's see. No. Let's just try app transaction examples. Copy this name, and I'm just gonna paste app transaction examples. I'll just type it. Or TS no. Oh, let me just do this again. I need to run it in the WSL. So if that's the thing, is sometimes you gotta flip between these builds all the time, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Ooh, all right. Now let's try that same command again. I just want to. Let me try it again. So source examples.env doesn't work in Windows. How do I set this in Windows? All right, so we're learning how to use source. Source shell command and next the batch file, call env.bat. Let's try it. Rename. Let's see. So now let's try and adjust the command. nvm call and.bat. Let me see. So now package.json. Script. Hmm. I just try and call it like this. No. Call env.bat. No. So make them. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't having trouble figuring this out. Let's see. Okay, back here. Right, so we're here. We're here. Let's see. So ba 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 ba. Let's get back to here. So what is it that's having a problem? I'm gonna run the command one more time and see. All right, so let me read it one more time. Okay. Hmm. All right. Let me just see. Just gonna do this for now. Let's see. I'll just try and run these without linking. All right. So let's see. Going to deep through and make consts. All right. So now we're gonna try and this is the sender. I'm just gonna put the address in. Oh no. And hmm. All right. So let me just try and take these out now. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm trying to just testing some ideas. VM run examples. Algorand token environment is not set. For go back. I'm just trying to understand why it's not working. All right, so boom. I'm gonna go back to the original issue. I'm gonna try and learn how to set my environment variable like that. It's good to learn this stuff. That one I didn't really learn that one, right? Oh, set variable equals string. Okay, so let's see. Let's try it. Go back to this file. Let's see. Save as. All right, let's see. Oh, I think I did something. Eh, let's see. That's giving me a problem. So I guess I gotta research this. I'm not really sure how to get my environment variable set right now. So that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend a little time researching this. I'm gonna watch a couple tutorials maybe about it, and I'll come back and try and get these algorithms opening up in different style, man. I wanna try and get this working. So thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna do some research on this setting environment variables in here because I want to be able to put these information in so I can act like try and make some transactions and play around. All right, so cool. I'm gonna do some work like that.